This is the new set of controls that you'll be receiving. So we got the old handheld terminal and a new one, including a new cable. Then the old processor board and a communication board. This might actually look a bit different, because this is the old type. There's also a later model, but it still has those two 9-pin D-sub connectors. And these two boards will be replaced by our processor board with a piggyback PLC on it. Then this is the 12 volt and 5 volt power supply, which will be replaced by this board. The 24 input board, which will be replaced by this high speed version. Then we have the processor board for the detection unit, which will be replaced by this one, and the new connector board that goes together with that one. If we start with the detection unit, you undo these 4 screws at the corners, and you take this ribbon cable out, you take this one out, then you can unscrew these 4 screws, take this connector board out and replace it with the new one. Then we take the new board. The new board comes with a new ribbon cable. So you put that one in. And then you plug that one in. You put the screws back, and then it's all done. Okay, so this is very simple. We have to swap the power supply, the processor and communication board, and then the input board for inputs 1 to 24. So let's start with the power supply first. That's one. Then we pull these ones out. And this one. This one goes to the master terminal, or the big HMI mounted on that stainless steel post. So since we don't have that one, we're not going to use this. So this can pull out. Processor board pull out. And then we put a new one in there. Maybe put it at the bottom. Okay, so then this COM port is for the handheld terminal. This cable with those blue wires. That's the 5 volt wires, by the way. And this one, this is the cable that communicates with the detection unit. That one goes in here. Can put that one back. Then we need to change this input port here. So, undo that one, undo this one, pull this one out. The new one goes back. Make sure that the dip switch setting is on 0. Okay. All right. That's all good. And when you're on this side of the machine, these connectors here, usually you have those slide-on connectors. like it is here on that power supply board. But I would strongly recommend to solder those ones, because sometimes they don't make contact properly. And if you solder them, then you have much less problems with that. So solder those ones while you're doing this, and then you're all done. Then we're connecting the new handheld terminal. New one is here. Alright. That's in the boot. The bottles are not ideal, but I'm going to set it up properly and then we do another test run. Alright, now we give it another try.